Hello everyone. Today I will show you a video about power analyzer from ZES-Zimmer, the company which is acquired from Rohde and Schwarz. The idea of the video of today is to show you a comparison between an oscilloscope and power analyzer. So the scope is used for any test bench, but is not as accurate as power analyzer, where the scope is used to analyze waveform, to do measurement, FFT, mathematic, much more measurement, but the power analyzer is used for accuracy. So if you want to measure the power, the energy, the efficiency, the losses, so the power analyzer is the right tool. And what you see here is that a GUI of the power analyzer. So here I connected through LAN connection to my PC, and then I connect, retry, okay, and just I say connect device, okay. So I disconnected, connected. Now it should be working fine. And now you see here you have three blocks. The LMG test suite. This is for standard compliance, and sample vision just to record some waveform. These two are options. So extra, if you want them to be active, you need to buy this. The use remote, this is our LMG remote. This is free of charge. You get it from the power analyzer. So if we click here, we got a GUI. So we can see here, we can check, okay, I'm interested in default, where I get default current, measurement or voltage or power, or if I'm interested to show some graph, I click here on the graph. For me, what is interesting here, I have 6 channel for this, or 6 group for this power analyzer. Each group has 2 channels, so one for voltage, one for current. In addition to this, it has another channel which is used to measure the torque and speed. In my case, I click here in group, and if I go to grouping, and then I combine them. So I want to put group 1, group 2 together. That's why you see only 5 group, not 6 group. And to configure this, I know my voltage, I know that I'm doing a DC, but I set it to auto to let the device detect it by itself. So the device can handle up to 1000 volt DC, and AC 1000 volt 500 DC, and up to 32 ampere by default if you don't use extra transducer for this. So now we would like to do a measurement. I have a DC-DC converter which is running from 12 volt down to 3 volt, 1 ampere. So how the connection is done on the power analyzer, as you see here, connect the ampere in series and the voltage in parallel. So I run the measurement on scope, and I see that the measurement result for the input voltage is 11.9, output 3.37, and for the power analyzer, for the current is 348, and this is the input current. The output current is 1 ampere. And now I want to do the same for the power analyzer, so I have to activate the measurement. So I have to start the measurement, and in this case I do start the measurement here, and then I do start, okay, and then I see default, and I can see here my measurement on the screen. So if I click freeze, I have my measurement result, then I can stop the keyboard, or it can be still running. And if I want to put it side by side, I can see, okay, here I have 12 volt or 11.99, here I have 11.93. The output voltage is 3.3, where the output voltage is 3.37, so the accuracy in power analyzer is much more accurate. Let's see the current. The current for the input is 327, 348, and the output is 1 ampere. Here you have 9.9, 998 milliampere.